Mediterranean vegetation. Mediterranean, we have a Mediterranean Sea in the middle of two continents, that is Europe in the north and Africa in the south. Okay, so that climatic condition is also called Mediterranean climate, and that region are also known as orchard of the world. Orchard means where fruit is being cultivated, and the main vegetation, that means in that area, is what? Fruit, because it is called the orchard of the vegetation. Can you see the pointer, red pointer? It is written over here, orchards of the world. Why it is called orchard? Because it is good for fruit cultivation. Clear? And Mediterranean trees adapt themselves to dry summer with the help of the thick bark. Bark means the trunk has a thickness, what you say, in the trunk they have some brown color, that is called the bark. And the wax coated leaves, the leaves are also wax coated, so they help in reduction of transpiration, that means evaporation of water through the leaves. Okay, so we know that east and northeast margin of the continents are covered by temperate evergreen and deciduous trees that we have studied earlier. The west and the southwest margins of the continent are different. What they have? They have a Mediterranean vegetation. So whatever vegetation we found, that is in and around the Mediterranean Sea, that type of vegetation is said to be Mediterranean vegetation. And it is mostly found in the areas around which sea? The Mediterranean Sea, because it is in the middle of Europe and Africa. Europe in the north, Africa in the south, and parts of Asia in the east. Okay, hence the name it has got, as it is beside just around the Mediterranean Sea, the vegetation around it or the continents having such type of vegetation are called Mediterranean vegetation, right? And this kind of vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region, in the California in USA, Southwest Africa and southwestern states. Southwestern part of what? Southwestern part of South America and Southwest Australia also. And these regions are marked for the hot dry summer and mild rainy winter. That means what type of temperature or climate they are having? The summers are hot and dry, that means no rain, and in the winters they are having mild rain. Mild rain means little bit of rain in the winter. Okay, and what are the type of fruits, vegetation? It is having citrus fruits. Citrus means what? Do you know what do you mean by citrus? Having some citric acid, khatta, sour in taste, such as the oranges, figs, olives, grapes are commonly cultivated here, because people have removed the natural vegetation in order to cultivate some other crops that are necessary for them. And there isn't much wildlife is not in and around that. We know it is in the beneath, in the south to the Mediterranean Sea, it is the Africa. Africa means the northern half of Africa is covered with the Sahara Desert. So what type of wildlife can we get? We can get the wildlife as like reptiles or snakes seen in the desert area. Okay, so much type of variation of wildlife was not seen in this Mediterranean region. And next is the coniferous forest. Where does this name coniferous come from? The trees or the plants in this area, you will see they are in the cone shape. This is a cone shape. The caps, birthday caps you make, that is in a cone shape. Okay, so those trees have a coney shape and the leaves are needle-like, very sharp. Okay, and this are also called the taiga. What are they called? They are called taiga. Okay, just look at the pointer. Is the pointer's spotlight visible? Taiga. These are called taiga, and it is found in the higher latitude. That means towards the poles.